This year we had instituted this OTT award. We have already in the last stages of shortlisting. The jury is doing it, and we hopefully will be announcing the OTT award also in the closing ceremony. Master classes and in conversation sessions, these have been really curated keeping two things in mind. That A, the subjects which are very, very pertinent in today's world of cinema, they have been chosen, and the people who are most pertinent, they have been chosen to do that kind of a master class or in conversation, so that the cinephiles and the film students and of course the people who are passionate about films can know the best about that topic.
इतले मजगती काँग्रेसीन इफ्फीच्या खर्चाचेर सरकारान व्हाईट पेपर दिवचो म्हूण मागणी केल्या.
इफ्फीच्या संदर्भाचेर व्हाईट पेपर काडचो, गोंयच्या जनतेक त्या विशयाचो डेटा दिवचो की ह्या इफ्फीक खर्च कितको जाता, ह्या इफ्फीक डेलिगेट्स जे आसता तेंचें रेजिस्ट्रेशन कितकें जाता, गोंयच्या फिल्मांचें ऑफिशियल सेक्शनान स्क्रिनींग कितल्या फिल्मांचें जाता, आनी ह्या एकंदर इफ्फीचो गोंयकारांक, गोंयच्या फिल्म निर्मात्यांक आनी गोंयांक हेचो कितलो लाव जाता.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी आनी साहिल मांद्रेकार.